Welcome, welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can fix the story mention problem on the Instagram. So before guiding you through the steps, make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified about the further videos on our channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open the Instagram, and bottom right of the screen you will find the profile icon. Tap on it. On the top right corner, you will see the three-line icon. Tap on it and then tap on the setting and privacy option. You'll be guided to this page where you need to scroll down, and under how others can react with you, you will see the messages and story reply. Tap on it and tap on the story replies where you need to toggle on allow stories replies from everyone. Go back and on tags and mention you need to tap on, and you need to toggle on allow tags from everyone. Scroll down and under who can mention you, you need to toggle on the allow mention from everyone in order to resolve the tags and mention problem on the Instagram. Again, you need to go back to the same page and you need to tap on sharing and remixes. On the way people can share, you need to toggle on allow post sharing to guide. If this is toggle off in this way, then you can just tap on it and toggle on allow post sharing to guide. You need to customize all this option and toggle on to in order to allow post and reel sharing to stories, allow story sharing in messages. All this option you need to toggle on by tapping on and go back. Customizing this option, if your problem hasn't been yet resolved, then you need to go back again to the home screen of your mobile phone, and from the Play Store you can update the Instagram features so that you can enjoy the latest features on the Instagram. And again, if that also didn't resolve your problem, then you need to long press on the Instagram app, and here you will see the app info option. Tap on it and you'll be guided to this page where you need to tap on storage uses and clear all the cache from here. Go back again and tap on permission option to allow all the apps permission. Go back again, and if this also doesn't resolve your problem, then at last you need to restart your phone again, because on your phone itself the problem might be occurred. In this way you can easily resolve the problem of story mention problem from the Instagram. So this was it guys. If you like the video, then hit the like button and comment on the comment section if you have any queries without any hesitations. Thank you.